Hello and welcome back to my kitchen, everybody. Today is Saturday, so you know we are keeping it simple. I've got a simple recipe for you today, but also because it's Saturday, the kids are home. And if it's cold and dreary where you live like it is here, you're probably looking for something to keep them busy. So that's exactly what I got for you today. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, my name is Sherry, and if you love food and fun like I do, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So I thought trail mix would be perfect for today. Like I said, the kids are home. You're probably looking for something to keep them busy. If you got more than one kid, the great thing is you can put anything you want in here so they can pick and choose what they like. And not only can they make it for a snack, but it's great for them to make and give as a gift to like grandma or a friend or what have you. And look, I needed to clean out my cabinet. I literally just reached up there and grabbed everything I could that, well, not everything that I could put in trail mix. So I've got I was going to call this a can. What is this? A canister. That's what it is. So I'm going to dump my peanuts in here, but just about half of them because we want to be able to save our canister so we can fill it with our trail mix, and then this is going to be our gift packaging. All right, so I've got some peanuts in here. Let's see what else I have. White chocolate chips. Definitely got to put these in here. Lots of white chocolate chips. I got some pistachios. Let's see. Are they open? No. That's okay. We'll open them. So a few pistachios. I'm not going to put a lot because I'm also going to put cashews. I thought all of these were open, but they're not. I probably shouldn't open them all. A few cashews in there. Some pecans. I do love nuts. Just a little bit. And then I've got, let's see what else we have here. We got pretzels. I need to use these up for sure. So we'll throw some pretzels in here. I have got some cried cranberries. That's what I was getting ready to say, cried cranberries. We have dried cranberries here. So let's put a few of those in. I also think I had some raisins I needed to use up somewhere. I thought I did. Where'd they go? I don't know. I'm going to save my cherries. I have cherries. I also have apricots and blueberries. Let's put some blueberries in. I also grabbed some coconut flakes, some sunflower seeds, marshmallows. Like I said, you can put anything in here that you want. I'm afraid if I put too much more, it may not fit back into our jar. Let's not do coconut. That's a little messy. Oh, here's my raisins. Yeah, I need to use these up. There's only a little bit in there. Forgot what I even bought raisins for. Probably cookies. Did you know if you soak your raisins, I was going to say cookies, if you soak your raisins for a couple of hours before you actually make the cookies, it will make them really nice and juicy and plump when you go to put them in the cookies. Little tip. I should have saved that for Tuesday. Tip for Tuesday. So that looks about good. And I'm just going to use my hands and put it down in here. All right, let's see if we can fit the rest in here. I don't think we can, but I can fit a little bit more. I can fit some on the counter too. So the other thing I thought might be really fun to put in here and colorful, they say Imperials, but I'm pretty sure that these are the Red Hot flavor. And I'm just going to throw a few little candies down in there, sprinkles, whatever you call them, Imperials, I guess. I mean, we probably have enough sugar in here as it is between the fruit and the white chocolate. But I do think that the Red Hots are going to give it just a little bit of color and make it a little bit more festive. So then once we've got our canister filled, we can hand it back off to the kids. And I've got some stickers here. So you can do stickers or you can put whatever you want on here. And then I just took some curling ribbon and kind of curled it a little bit. So let's do some stickers first. So I've got these Christmas stickers. I think I'm going to do these snowflakes because I was being lazy. I didn't feel like soaking this off. And I know the snowflakes will kind of cover that. So we're going to use the snowflakes. It'll cover it for the most part. Let's say that. Let's do this blue one here. Maybe right like that. Then we'll space out the other ones. But there, that covers up. That covers up the part I didn't want to soak off. These are felt. They're soft and fuzzy. Oh, you know what? Because we're doing red and white, I think I'm going to take off the blue. I'm going to take the blue back off. Change my mind. That, and let's take this plain one that doesn't have any sparkle on it. Since those two have sparkle, and we'll put this one over here. There we go. That's better. And take this one off. I just realized I have some little white ones there too I can use, so I don't really need the blue ones, I don't think. That way we can stay with our color scheme we have going on here, red and white. I guess I could put these bows on here too, but I'll try to keep it simple today. Let's put this one down here. And then we'll add some of these little ones. Pull them all off at once just to make it easier. I hope they stick. These got quite a bit of glitter on them. Okay, let's see. One here. One here. One here. Is there too many on that side? Where should we put it? Here? Okay. There we go. And then we're just going to take our ribbon and tie it around here. Okay, I think that is better. So really easy, something the kids can make themselves and give away as a gift, or they can snack on today. Either way, hopefully I keep them busy today. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you again tomorrow with another gift recipe. Bye.